Welcome to today's guide where we'll walk through the quickest way to remove your profile picture on Discord using the latest app update. Whether you're refreshing your profile or switching to the default avatar, these steps will get you sorted in under a minute. Start by opening the Discord app on your device. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's nestled in the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap, and you'll see a menu pop up. From here, select the option labeled Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens. Now, focus on your current profile picture. You'll notice a small pencil icon hovering over it. Tap on that. A new menu will slide into view, and right there, you'll spot the Remove Avatar button. Go ahead and select it. Discord will instantly clear your existing photo and revert your profile to the default avatar. But what if you want to upload a new image instead? No problem. After tapping the pencil icon, you can either choose a fresh photo from your gallery or snap one right then and there. Adjust the crop and position until it looks just right. Then hit the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes. That's all there is to it. Your profile is now updated, whether you've gone minimalist with the default look or added a new image. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share it with anyone who might need a quick Discord refresh. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. We've got plenty of guides lined up to keep your digital life smooth. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.